Hello guys, my name is Pushkaraj Shinde. Welcome to my YouTube channel, and today I am going to tell you the difference about prokaryotic and eukaryotic DNA. So mainly, uh, the what is the human body or human life or any life is made up of some cell. The basic cell is a essential for make of the life. So and the cell have two types. The first one is the prokaryotic cell and second one is the eukaryotic cell. The prokaryotic cell is a single cellular. It means it is only have one cell. That a particular cell has only one cell. Particular organism have one cell. But in a eukaryotic, it can be a one cellular or multicellular. Means the eukaryotic can have a single cell and also have multi cell. So then let's move towards the difference between prokaryotic DNA and eukaryotic DNA. The first point is the prokaryotic DNA doesn't have nucleus and no organelles, and but eukaryotic DNA have nucleus and cell organelles. The cell organelles may be include mitochondria, ribosomes, lysosome, as such as. Then the second point is the prokaryotic DNA. It is a very small amount of DNA because it is a single cell there. That's why it have a very small amount of DNA. But in eukaryotic cell, they have large amount of DNA. Because it is a multicellular cell. Then the third point is they found freely in the central portion of the cytoplasm. The prokaryotic cell can be easily found in the central portion of the cytoplasm, and the eukaryotic cells can be found within the nucleus. The fourth one is the occurrence as a covalent close the circular form of the DNA, and in eukaryotic cell it occurs as a linear format in DNA with two ends. In two ends, the size of the DNA is less than 0.1 in prokaryotics, because it is single cellular cell. That's why it doesn't require any large scale. That's why the size of the prokaryotic DNA is 0.1 pg, and the size of DNA because the in eukaryotic cell, because the DNA because it is a multicellular and it is a contain large amount of DNA. So the eukaryotic DNA is usually bigger than the prokaryotic DNA. In prokaryotic DNA, intercons are absent the coding region of in the DNA, and in prokaryotic DNA the interons are absent, but in eukaryotic cell the intercons are present, and they attach and form the double-sided linkage bond. The number of formation of the nucleosome. In prokaryotic there is no formation of a nucleosomes, and in eukaryotic DNA the nucleosome is formed in the formation. So then let's move towards the DNA replication. The DNA replicants occur in the cytoplasm of the cell. Whatever DNA replicate which were needed, that happened in the cytoplasm of the cell. And in eukaryotic, whatever the in eukaryotic whatever the replicates are having within the nucleus of the cell. Now the next point is the prokaryotic. In prokaryotic, the prokaryotic DNA contain the small amount of genes, and the eukaryotic cell have a large amount of genes. So basically the both are the prokaryotic and eukaryotic are important for their respective organelles, and cell is also important. A cell is also important because the cell is a basic structure and function unit life. We all human beings are developed from one cell to the whole cell. Due to eukaryotic cell, our cell get multiplied, and as get multiplied they start to become organs, and then various other things get added like skins, bones, and etc. things like that. So The cell study is very important, and the Robert Hooke, the cell was the firstly introduced by the Robert Hooke in 1965. So that's all guys. Thank you for watching this video.